Hello students, in this video we are going to look on how to download and install a KiCad software. Welcome. So I have opened a Google Chrome page and I am typing KiCad download. So you can see here the first link which can be used to download the KiCad software. So in this you have many uh, download links depending on various platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Docker. And since I am using Windows 64-bit operating system, I am clicking this Windows option. You can see here, you can ARM64 is also available. You can select ARM64 or otherwise 64-bit Windows release. And then it gives the signer name, issuer name, serial number, and various options. Previous releases, you can see previous releases here. And now to install, I'm clicking this. You can see in 64-bit there is various links. For Asia you have to click this. Two links are available: Australia one link, Europe one link, North America there are two links, South America two link, one link is available. So depending on your location you can select, and now I am selecting this Alibaba Cloud. So you can see here the download is getting started, and it will take almost 6 minutes to download. So I will fast forward. So after downloading, you can see here this is the KiCad software exe file. So when you double click, the setup is loading, and so you can install the required. I would suggest you should not select unselect any checkboxes in this. So you can install the application. It's very easy to install. I have installed the KiCad 10 version. So after installing all the schematic libraries, pips, exe files, we'll wait. So it takes about roughly 2 to 3 minutes to install. That's why this is called as a beginner-friendly software, and since it is very open source, can be used in any versions of the operating system. Like I'm using Windows 11 with 8 GB RAM, but it also runs fine in 4 GB RAM. So if you click finish, so the KiCad is being. So this is the first UI of the KiCad software. We will explore more in the KiCad software in the next lectures.